आज के इस YouTube चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का रमन क्लासेस की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत। आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक लाजवाब वीडियो दैट इज फुल्ली बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। दिस इज फॉर क्लास 10 CBSE। चैप्टर नेम इज ऑलरेडी रिटन एज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। This is part 2. In today's video, I would like to explain what do you mean by resistance, what is resistivity, what the relation between resistance and resistivity, how we can get the mathematical expression for showing the relation between resistance and resistivity. First of all, I would like to give message to the students. Hard work always help you to crack your target, to crack your destination. So without wasting time, I would like to come to the point. तो आइए देखें about the factors affecting resistance. First of all, try to understand what do you mean by resistance. It is the property of a conductor which always opposes the flow of electricity. Suppose that this is a conducting wire and the flow of current happens from this end to that end. Current flows through this conducting wire from this end to that end. So what will be the direction of resistance? The direction of resistance will be just reverse to the direction of flow of current. The direction of resistance will be from this end to that end. In this way, as I think you have understood about the resistance, elementary idea. Now you have to study what are factors affecting resistance. What are factors affecting resistance? There are mainly four factors. There are mainly four factors which affect the resistance, the value of resistance. First is length of a conductor. Length of a conductor. As the length of a conductor increases, then the resistance of a conductor also increases. As the length of a conductor increases, then the resistance of a conductor also increases, and vice versa. Do you know what is the meaning of vice versa? Try to understand here. If the length of a conductor decreases, then the resistance also decreases. यही है vice versa का मतलब. We represent by the symbolic notation to the resistance as R, and we also represent length of a conductor as L. Then what will be the mathematical relation? So R varies L. Now the second factor, that is area of cross section. Area of cross section. I am explaining just now. With the help of diagram, try to understand here. This is a conductor AB. This length is L1. Or another conductor. This is CD. Its length is L2. Here L2 is greater than L1. Students, now you have to apply your brain. Which conductor has much resistance? किसका रेसिस्टेंस ज्यादा होगा? तो देखिए किसका लेंथ ज्यादा है? L2 का. L2 इज दिस. तो लंबाई के बढ़ने से रेसिस्टेंस बढ़ता है और लंबाई के घटने से रेसिस्टेंस घटता है. तो L2 ग्रेटर देन L1, सो रेसिस्टेंस R2. इसका रेसिस्टेंस जो है वो R2 है और इसका रेसिस्टेंस R1 है. तो R2 ग्रेटर देन R1. As I think you have understood this concept. Now I come to the point about the area of cross section. Area of cross section means thickness of a conductor. Thickness of a conductor. As area of cross section increases, then the resistance decreases, and vice versa. Area of cross section यानी thickness के बढ़ने से resistance decrease होता है और थिकनेस के डिक्रीज होने से रेसिस्टेंस इंक्रीज होता है. पे अटेंशन हियर. मैथमेटिकली इट कैन बी रिटन एज R varies 1 by A, where A represent thickness. A represent thickness of a conductor. of a conductor. As area of cross section is half, half का मतलब होता है 1/2. यदि एरिया हाफ हो जाए तो रेसिस्टेंस हाफ को पलट दीजिए, 1/2 को रिवर्स कर दीजिए, रेसिप्रोकल कीजिए, तो 1/2 का रेसिप्रोकल 2 होता है. देन द रेसिस्टेंस विल बी, एज एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन विल बी हाफ, देन द रेसिस्टेंस विल बी ट्वाइस, रेसिस्टेंस ट्वाइस होगा. एज एरिया विल बी 1/3, अब हम 1/3 का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, 1/3 का रेसिप्रोकल तो 3 होता है, रेसिस्टेंस विल बी 3 times. In this way, children, you have got the information about the factors affecting resistance. 2 factors I have explained just now, and remaining 2 factors I will explain just now. Please wait. तो आइए बच्चों, अब हम लोग देखें about the third factors of resistance. Third factor of resistance, that is nature of material medium. The resistance of a conductor also depends on the nature of a material medium. As for example, nichrome, there is a conducting wire. Nichrome, there is a conducting wire. It is made of iron, chromium, nickel, cobalt. These are the different variety of metals by which nichrome alloy is made of. And there are several conducting wire such as copper wire, iron wire. These are also available. Aluminium wire available in nature. If we compare about the resistance of aluminium wire या copper wire with the resistance of alloy like nichrome, we observe that alloy has resistance 60 times than that of a pure metal. This example also explains that the resistance of a conductor also depends on the nature of the material medium by which it is made of. Now, fourth point, effect of temperature. As temperature rises, as the temperature of a conducting wire rises up, on rising temperature, the resistance of a conductor also rises up, and on decreasing the temperature, the resistance of a conductor also decreases. Try to understand. But how? How does the temperature, how does the resistance of a conductor increases on rising the temperature? Let us try to understand minutely what happens inside the wire if we increase the temperature of the conducting wire. यदि हम conducting wire के temperature को बढ़ा दें, तो what is the main factor which can cause the increment in resistance of a conductor? Here there is a conducting wire. As the temperature of this conducting wire rises up, then particles of metal starts vibrating. Particles of metal starts vibrating. These particles also collide each other, which can cause the disturbance in the flow of current through itself. Due to more and more collision between the particles, between the atoms of metal, this can cause rapid increment in the resistance magnitude. In this way, children, you have learned about the factors affecting resistance. After a while, I will explain about the next topic mentioned in content. Please wait for the short while. You will keep on continuity on seeing this video. So hello children, now pay attention on the next topic. I have already mentioned in my content in the starting of this video, relation between resistance and resistivity. How we can able to find out the relation between resistance and resistivity? Pay attention here. As we know that the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of a conductor and is also inversely proportional to the area of cross section. अभी हमने मेंशन कर दिया है. The resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to the length of a conductor. Resistance length के directly proportional है and is inversely proportional. यही resistance inversely proportional होता है to the area of cross section. Pay attention. This is a conducting wire. Its length is L. Area of cross section is A. Resistance is R. Then what will happen? Pay attention. Let L be length of a conductor. Its thickness, जिसको हम लोग एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन कहते हैं, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन, दिस इज ए. एंड रेसिस्टेंस इक्वल टू आर. Children, pay attention a lot towards video, towards board, so that you can able to learn much. You will have to maintain sincerity, devotion while studying. तो रेसिस्टेंस इज आर, लेंथ इज एल, तो आर वेरीज एल. लेंथ जो है रेसिस्टेंस के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. आई हैव शोन मैथमेटिकली हियर. एंड दिस रेसिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. एरिया को ए लिखते हैं. एरिया का इनवर्स जरा सोचें. एरिया का इनवर्स 1/a होता है. तो 1/a. तो रेसिस्टेंस इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज थिकनेस ऑफ अ कंडक्टर. आफ्टर कंबाइनिंग वी गेट, इस दोनों कॉन्सेप्ट को मिलाने पर हम पाते हैं कि आर वेरीज एल इंटू 1/a. राइट साइडेड वैल्यू को राइट साइडेड वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो आर वेरीज L/A. L इंटू 1 L होता है, अब बाय में A है. R वेरीज L/A. Now you will also pay attention a lot. R वेरीज का साइन हटा दिया जाए तो हम लोग इक्वल टू लिखते हैं. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ साइंस. एंड ऑल्सो राइट वन कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. एक कांस्टेंट लगाते हैं, तो साइंटिस्ट ने दिया एक कांस्टेंट जिसको हम लोग रो लिखते हैं. दिस इज द सिंबॉलिक नोटेशन ऑफ रो. पी का पूछ मोड़ दिया जाए, पी का पूछ टेल विंग मोड़ दिया जाए तो रो हो जाता है. ये L/A. हियर रो, दिस शोज रो. रो इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज कांस्टेंट. ये कांस्टेंट है. It is also called as resistivity. So R equal to rho L/A. This is the mathematical relation between resistance and resistivity, where L equal to length and A equal to area of cross section. This is the mathematical relation. This is mathematical relation between resistance and resistivity. In this way, you have got much information about resistance and resistivity. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा? यदि आज का यह वीडियो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को इंक्रीज किया हो तो प्लीज लाइक, सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल, लाइक एंड ऑल्सो शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स so that my video should be viral. A lot of students can also get much advantage with the help of this educational techniques. लेते हैं, तब तक के लिए विदा. धन्यवाद.